Messenger, how to unrestrict. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can unrestrict on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to unrestrict on Messenger, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Messenger application here. And let's say that you happen to actually restrict someone but you can't find their page in the spam section or the message request folder or whatever else, and you would like to unrestrict that person. Well, to unrestrict that person, tap the three lines option there and then tap the settings icon that you can find over here. Once you tap the settings icon there, what you want to do from here is simply go to this option here known as privacy and safety. Once you go to privacy and safety, right over here you'll be able to find the option called restricted accounts, so make sure to tap on it. And once you tap on restricted accounts, just select that account here and then just tap on unrestrict. If there are any more people over here, you can select them and then tap the unrestrict option as well. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically unrestrict someone on Messenger. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.